In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change your Google birthday. This ensures that your account's features and content are age-appropriate, personalized and legally compliant. Google uses your birthday to tailor recommendations, ads, and access permissions. To change your date of birth, simply head to your Google account. Tap on these three lines and head to Settings. Head to Account. You will want to tap on your Info, Privacy, and Security. Slide to Personal Info. Inside the section of Basic Info, tap on Birthday. To change it, simply head to Update and change the day, month, and year consecutively. Once done, tap on Save to update all your changes. This gives you access to special birthday perks and animations, enhancing your Google experience in a way that's relevant to your age. That's how easy it is to change your date of birth on your Google account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.